Great camping advice that will make the trip much easier. When did you go camping the last time? Camping's a great way to relax, be one with nature, and reflect. You can enjoy what the outdoors has to offer away from work, without any distractions from technology. All it takes is a little know how to make your camping adventure into a fantastic one. Plan accordingly when it comes to food. It is a hassle to make room in your car for all the food you need. However, proper nourishment is crucial when you are in the woods. Bringing enough food means that you will save money and keep everyone in your family in a good mood. Did you know that a simple mirror can save your life? If you are camping and end up in a survival situation, a simple handheld mirror can be used to signal for help many miles away. Do not buy the standard glass mirror. Many camping supply stores sell mirrors made of Lexan that will float and are practically unbreakable. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug and of course, that your campfire is completely out. Let everyone know they have a say in the campsite and should help pick a favorite spot. Talk about the state you wish to see. Try to keep a small list, as there is such an abundance of spots to choose from, it can be hard to pick one. This can get people engaged and ready to go camping. If you are interested in camping, and you are new to the activity, then you should never start out alone. It can be quite dangerous if you don't know what you are doing, so it is important to bring along an experienced friend to help you learn the ropes. Preparation and organization are chief factors to facilitate a great camping trip. Be certain that your camping trips always involve proper planning. If you're going somewhere you've never been, do a little research about the land. Find out the weather, wildlife and the layout of the land. Your next camping trip will be great if you apply what you've just learned. These are just a few of the things that can improve your camping experiences, so make sure you always stay on the lookout for things that will make your camping experiences even better every time you go. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.